See this website, guys. Just see it, watch it, and feel it. I have made this kind of advanced animated website using Minimax M3 model. This is the new model and 1 million context window and new architecture Minimax sparse attention. And I have taken this prompt from this person Victor Odi. He shared the whole prompt on Twitter, and I pasted the same prompt inside OpenClaude, and they are giving the currently free access to this Minimax M3 model for all of this weekend till Monday. So that's why I tried it and I got this kind of amazing website. So I first saw this post from this Victor Odi on Twitter that he tried this with the GPT 5.5 model and Codex. And then I thought that can I make this kind of website with any other model that are new to the market? Then I thought about this Minimax M3 model because this is the one of interesting coding and agentic frontier model that have the same kind of capability like the GPT-5 and GPT 5.5 and also the Opus 4.6 and Opus 4.7 kind of capability. So this is the benchmark that they have shared. So I tried it and I got almost 99% same kind of website that he shared on Twitter, that is the GPT 5.5 and this Minimax M3 model output. It is almost same here you see. So this is the website. If I just refresh it in front of you, same kind of. Okay. Now, if you want to try it, just you can do this inside OpenClaude. Okay. So previously also I have shown you the OpenClaude the configuration. So now they are giving the Minimax M3 model access for free for the weekend till Monday. So 3-day access, and you can try it. For that you need to install this OpenClaude. So for that what you can do, I have given this GitHub link in description. Go there, come to this install part, and this is one command npm install -g GitLab OpenClaude latest. Just run this command on your command prompt or terminal, and it will install the OpenClaude globally. And after that, open your command prompt or terminal, and if you just write OpenClaude, okay, and press enter, you will find this kind of interface. It is same as the Claude, and here you will see the latest version is 0.17, and here just press slash and write model, and here you see this is the Minimax M3 that you need to select. You just press enter, and here you see that after setting the model to the Minimax M3, I simply pasted this whole prompt here. This is the whole prompt that I have got from this Victor Odi from his official Twitter account. So please make sure you follow this person Victor Odi on Twitter. Okay, the full prompt credit goes to this person. Okay, and here you see this is the prompt. I will give this post link or this prompt in description, so you can copy from there also. Right now, here you see after pasting it, it has started to working on this. So OpenClaude actually similar to the Claude, and the way Claude code actually works, OpenClaude also works in a similar way. It also have the same kind of agentic capability. And here you see that step by step it executed all of these steps like npm install and this making the CSS and HTML file. And here you see it first made the number of tasks that it needs to perform, and after that one by one it performed all of that task. And here you see, okay, so it is same as the cloud code, and here you see when one task is done, and then it is marking that, and it is telling you that 2 done, 1 in progress, and 4 are open. So after all of this, let me go to the end of this, and let me show you. It finally written the code, and it verified that, and when everything is completed, then here you see run the code base. And for the logo, it is asking me that drop your image to this public folder, and here you see that in my case it is showing like this lgpsm, but the website he has made, here you see that there is a logo. So if you put the logo like this inside the public folder, let me show you where is that folder. Yes, This is the folder. Inside public folder, if I put the image, then it will show there. And here you see that this is the complete React project with Tailwind configuration. All of these things it has done. And remember one thing, that this OpenClaude is using this GitLab as the gateway, as the open gateway, and they have some limit. And the limit is that for free quota, there is a 30 requests per 5 hour. Okay, free quota 30 requests per 5 hour. So you please remember that. And as they are giving 3 days free access, like Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, you can use it. Okay. And I have completed this website with one go. Okay. So when my task got completed, after that only, when I tried to generate something, another project, then it is giving me this API error. Okay. So just remember this thing. And one thing is very interesting in case of OpenCloud, that if you exceed your quota also, then it will not throw you error until your task is getting completed. Okay, this is another interesting thing from OpenCloud. So this is the video, guys, that I wanted to share with you. I hope it will be very helpful for you. And if you found helpful, if you want to get this kind of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. And also another video, Nemotron 3 Ultra from NVIDIA. I tested it. I did a review. Please make sure you watch this video also. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get this type of content more. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Okay, so there also, here you see I announced it. So if you want to get this kind of latest update, don't forget to follow me on Twitter.